meteorologist Michelle Muscatello with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, it's not the prettiest of days, but we do gradually see some drying out through the middle of the week. One more system to get through before we close the books on April, and there's signs of a warm weekend. So a lot of details to get to. Let's start first with the gloominess about today. So it is April 27th, feels around February 27th with these temperatures. And again, potentially record breaking. The record that's we're looking to beat is 44 degrees from 1917. So we're right now sitting at around 43 degrees. That's as high as we've made it so far today. And for the rest of the afternoon, I expect the temperatures to hold steady, if not drop a couple of degrees. So it feels like 34. If you're going to maybe dress in a warm coat and head out for a quick walk, most of the rain has been light and it's only added up to a few hundredths of an inch. But when you add in the winds, it really feels chilly out. In fact, we're still gusting to nearly 40 miles per hour in Plymouth. Providence gusting to 32 miles per hour right now. It's just a nasty day. Drying out, as I mentioned, and we are looking ahead to another system Thursday and early Friday, and then again some better weather over the weekend. So far, just 0.05 of an inch of rain since midnight in Providence. A little heavier amounts in Taunton and in Plymouth from overnight. You can see those showers and drizzle continuing from Boston to Providence. Very little along the coastline, but it is damp and misty, and all of those conditions will linger for the rest of the afternoon. So rain and drizzle, the temperatures, as I mentioned, slowly dropping just down to around 40 degrees by 6 o'clock. It's this pesky low that's been hanging around since yesterday. It's still off the coast of Nantucket this afternoon, gradually starting to shift to the east. As it does, you can still see the moisture rapid around this system, so we're stuck with the wet weather into the nighttime hours tonight. And as those temperatures drop, it may actually be cold enough that north and west of Providence we get a wet snow shower too, along with the rain. We don't expect it to stick, but it's a sign of how unseasonably chilly the air is. By tomorrow morning, most of the showers have pulled offshore, maybe just eastern Massachusetts with the leftover showers. The sun comes up, but you can see the cloud cover. This is what we're going to have a tougher time getting rid of tomorrow. So we do break into at least some peaks of sunshine, especially the further west that you go, but still a partly to mostly cloudy day, and it's still going to be cooler than normal. However, not nearly as chilly as today. So do expect us to drop down into the mid to upper 30s, most spots drying out by 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning. Tomorrow, mainly cloudy skies, lower 50s. So the normal high is low 60s. We're not there tomorrow, and we don't quite reach there on Wednesday either. But towards the end of the week, things start to warm up. Here's that system I mentioned that we've got tracking for late Wednesday and Thursday. Scattered showers. We'll have to watch for some heavier rainfall late Thursday evening or Friday morning. Could be accompanied by some gusty winds before that front moves through. Then behind it, could we put together 2 dry days right over your weekend? Well, right now we're thinking mainly dry skies for both Saturday and Sunday, and those temperatures are finally looking a little warmer, mid to upper 60s. Pat?